Alright guys, so my whirlpool dishwasher has been doing this. Very strange. It was at 3 a.m. in the morning where this thing literally started doing this. It says F8 and E4, and it technically means that the machine's overfilled, even though when I open it, there's no water in it. And if I close it, I press cancel, it silences the tone. Press again, it turns it off. But then if I close it, it starts draining. So it starts draining, and then the thing is that I can still open it as it's draining. So I literally have no idea what to do. I let it go through a whole drain cycle. It's been doing this for like, I don't know, since 3 a.m. So I don't know, probably a ghost came in and haunted this machine. So let's go ahead and close it. And let's see. Is it done? That's it. Press cancel again. Come on. See what happens if I can always do this. Start real quick. Aww. But there's a way that I can get it to start a little bit. So if I click, oh, it doesn't even want to start now. I was able to start it with this blue light turning on. Get it? Thanks for the reminder though. It's gonna give us a timer. Come on. See, so that's what I was able to do. So I can do that. There, cancel. It's gonna drain, but come on. It's a drain. If I close it, come on. Like, it's not even overflowed. Like, everything underneath is like, it's fine. Like, the drain hose is completely fine. Just press cancel. I have no idea. Okay, so it's on drain, but when I click cycle, it's not gonna let me. Hold dry. Start. The float sensor may be broken or something. I don't know. So can you like comment down below, please? Like if you know what to do. And because this is giving me a headache. It just like, it's crazy because it's brand new, this dishwasher. It's like, oh, come on. This thing's like 4 months old. So I click cancel, nothing will happen. It'll just keep draining. It just wants to keep draining itself. Cancel. It's working, please. Oh, come on. Okay, so this thing refuses to start. Yeah, so comment below if you know anything that could help. Thank you.